Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'm going to show you how to add a vignette effect in CapCut. Now this is super easy. All we need to do is drag your media onto the timeline, highlight the media you want to add the vignette to, then come over to the right hand side and select Adjustment. Then within Adjustment, come all the way down until you see Vignette here. And if you go to the right hand side, it'll add a black vignette, and to the left hand side, it'll be a white vignette. And the further you go left or right, the bigger the vignette will be. So you can add animation to the vignette. So let's bring it back to the start of the clip. Press the keyframe on the vignette, move the video along slightly. Now adjust the vignette. The keyframe will automatically be added. When we play that, as you can see, the vignette is auto applied like that with a little bit of animation. You can get a little bit fancy and start adding black to white vignettes. So that's how to add a vignette effect in CapCut. But the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching.